How to fix mouse text highlighting problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel on your device. In Control Panel, click on Mouse. After you click on Mouse, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In Buttons, make sure there is no tick mark and turn on Click Lock and Apply. Then at the top, click on Pointers. Make sure it's selected to Normal Select. Then click on Pointer Options at the top. Make sure Select Up Pointer Speed is in the middle. Then click on Wheel at the top. After you click on Wheel, make sure everything is 3-3, which is both the option vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. Then press on Apply. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix mouse highlighting problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.